AMPLI project, 3 minutes on augmented mold for setting and supervision of plastic product manufacturing. It all started at San Sebastian at a matchmaking event with all EIT manufacturing partners. And here IPC and LMS presented an idea about a thermoforming process that attracted the interest of Whirlpool, involved in refrigerator inner liners using thermoforming process. And ESI brought the idea of parametric solution, which is a technique to have the results of 1 million simulation in a reasonable time. And you have the final thickness distribution here, for instance, in real time for many different values of process parameters like blank order force or friction coefficient. And the idea of LMS and IPC was to integrate everything in an augmented reality frame. So we developed an architecture to make this operational, something standard today with sensorization, edge and cloud computing. We developed a comprehensive process map at Whirlpool. And here you can see the first results of the project with a demo at IPC floor shop. You see the thermoforming mold and you will see a simulation result superimposed at the top of the thermoforming mold. And below you have the parametric solution where for different temperature of the mold, of the plastic and height of the bubble also, you have the final thickness distribution. So the impact is process efficiency, quality improvement, maintenance improvement, augmented reality tool effective introduction at shop floor, and increase of people training efficiency. Next step is to integrate this technology in ESI player, software of ESI, including multisensorial and emotional virtual reality. Next disruption will be hybrid twin with real-time loop between machine, sensors and simulation. Where to learn more about AMPLI? We have a webinar next Tuesday, so please register. And we will be at the Geneva conference next March. Also, please check on the booth the LMS movie on supervision of the process. Thank you very much.